Simplicity. This is a real challenge. One, for example, our planning kit is a patent. This is a simple tool that makes possible to choose the right abutment, angulation, and the height of the gingiva in one take. The benefit is that to save time and simplify the doctor work. This product has the advantage to be efficient and simple to use, save time and money for the doctor, accurate without risking a mistake, and mostly only with 4 items you combine all the possibilities. These are the small advantages of a system that simplifies the doctor's life.